chest of God.
This is my story.
This is my story. This is my song. Praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story. This is my song. Praising my Savior all the day long.
Perfect submission.
Perfect submission.
Perfect delight.
Perfect delight.
I in my Savior.
I in my Savior.
Happily and blessed.
Happily and blessed.
Watching and waiting.
Watching and waiting.
Looking above.
Looking above.
One of his mercies.
Born of his mercy.
Washing his blood.
Washing his blood.
My story.
This is my story. This is my song. Blessing my Savior all the day long. This is my story. This is my song.
Praising my Savior.
Praising my Savior all the day long.
Hallelujah.
Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. inside of me. In this sense that I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mystery. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong.
Good evening, guys. So it's a Tuesday, and I'm preparing dinner. Yeah, I'm cooking ugali and skuma. So I'll be showing you guys as I cook. Yeah. So I've already boiled the meats, and I've already put my spinach. Actually, it's spinach in managu, not skuma. Then I have water boiling, so that I want to start cooking ugali. Hello, guys. I've just taken up. It's on a Thursday, so I just want to prepare and go to work. I'll take you guys along today. I hope I remember to film the activities. Yeah, so I hope your week is going on well. Yeah, but I'm fine. Hi guys, I'm just from work. I want to fix something to eat. I've bought some milk, yeah, from just a local supermarket, and some, yeah, hot dog. It's 3 p.m. right now, so I'm hoping to eat something. Yeah, then supper I'll just sort it out. But die. So this is the final outcome. This is the tea, cooked an egg, and the hot dog that I bought. Hi guys, so I'm making supper. I decided to make some fries. Yeah, it's already late. Yeah, been lazy concerning cooking, but I'm preparing some fries and I'm going to show you guys. So these are the potatoes. Yeah, just want to rinse them. Yeah, they are good to go. These are enough. Yeah, I might leave some for tomorrow's breakfast. Yeah, I'll just warm them, but these are enough for today. In the meantime, I'm having an apple. I don't know if you guys are like me. So sometimes before I cook, maybe lunch, supper, I normally maybe make some tea first, have it, and now proceed to cook, or eat something, then proceed to cook. So because I've come from working out, nimeona sitavumilia njaa. So I've decided to buy an apple. I snack on it while I cook.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside?
So guys, the fries are ready. Yeah, these are the fries. Yeah, so I just want to spice them up with some salt and paprika. I've never used paprika any other day. I just want to try today, and I'm hoping they'll turn out good. Yeah. Okay, let me mix, then I'll show you guys the outcome. So those are my fries, guys. I've mixed the paprika and salt. Yeah, I don't want to put so much paprika because I'm just experimenting. Yeah, so right now I'll add some zesta, some tomato sauce. Yeah, I I didn't get the garlic sauce one, so I just decided to go with this, the plain one. Yeah, and I'm hoping to give you a feedback concerning the fries. They are good, but I think I should have added like a lot more paprika so that to bring out the taste, but it's good for a first time. I can't complain. So guys, let me enjoy my fries. Catch you up on another one. So good morning guys. So it's on a Friday. This is my breakfast. Yeah, before heading out to work, I've made some tea and I have some bread. I have sandwiched the egg. Yeah, so I'm just going to have these 2 slices and the egg, and that will be okay for me.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see.
Good morning guys. It's on a Saturday. As you've seen, we were on our way to work. So yeah, it's very cold. It's rainy outside. Yeah, but we're trying to keep warm. So I've gotten some tea and sausage and samosa from Naivas. Yeah, they have me on chokehold. So let me show you guys. So guys, this is the tea. This is the samosa. It's I've taken the chicken one, and this is beef sausage. Yeah.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it.
So I'm cooking my minced meat there. It's in the pan. Yeah, and I want to cook it with some rice. I'm just waiting for the water to finish. Yeah, to evaporate fully. Then I add my onions, spices. Yeah. So guys, that's my final outcome. Is the mincemeat rice. Yeah. So let's me enjoy my food. Thank you guys for watching.